Welcome to the Book Like a Boss website video series. In this video, we're going to be covering the website personalization tools. To begin, you're going to go to your site overview or dashboard, and you're going to click Edit Site. Once logged into the Book Like a Boss editor, on the left sidebar, you're going to look for the Personalize option. Once you click Personalize, a panel that allows you to choose a rule will be displayed. You can build your own rule, or you can choose from an assortment of pre-made rules. Essentially, what this functionality allows you to do is to customize the experience for your site visitors down to an individual visitor. So if I were to click Build Rule at the top, the first option is to add a trigger, meaning we're going to try to identify something about the site visitor and then present something specific to them. You can choose a trigger based on the device type somebody's using, desktop, tablet, or mobile. Location or zip code that they're in when they're visiting your website. Time of day. How many times the individual has visited your website. And even a campaign URL in the event that you're running some advertising campaigns. You can also combine these triggers. So you could, for example, do mobile devices only in a certain zip code. If you need to display something to all of your visitors, like a pop-up to everybody, then you would choose Display to All Visitors, No Trigger. For this example, I'm going to use a location-based trigger, and I'm going to put in Chicago, Illinois. When I hit Next, I then can choose from these four options as far as what I want to happen based on that trigger. So in this example, if somebody were to visit this website from Chicago, we could show a notification bar, a pop-up, we could run some code that would be executed, and we can also do some special effects, which is what I'll demonstrate today. So if somebody from Chicago were to visit the website would automatically identify that, and it would drop hearts falling from the top. And there you go. Going back into Personalize, once your rule is created, there will be a gear to the right-hand side, and clicking on the gear will allow you to rename it, edit either the trigger or the action that occurs when triggered, and of course, delete the rule. In addition to building your own rules, you can also see that there are a number of pre-made rules, and we would certainly encourage you to take a look at those. The first-time visitor rule is often a great one to start with, and you can click into that and see what those options are. And that is website personalization.